brand new Christmas niche is blowing up on YouTube right now, and almost no one is talking about it. Creators are uploading simple festive videos and getting insane views without showing their face. Most people spend hours or even days creating these Christmas videos, but today I'm showing you a powerful AI tool that lets you create the same Christmas content in just a few minutes. And in this video, I'll show you the exact process, step by step, completely free. Let's get into it. Before we go any further, just so you know, I've added the website link in the video description so you can open it yourself and follow along step by step as I explain everything. Now let's slow down for a second and talk about why this Christmas niche is exploding right now. Every year during December, people's behavior completely changes online. They stop scrolling past festive content and actually pause to watch it. Christmas visuals trigger emotion, warmth, nostalgia, family, happiness, and that's exactly why these videos perform so well. What's interesting is that most of the viral Christmas videos you're seeing are extremely simple. They're not complicated edits. They're short, emotional visuals with music, and yet creators are getting millions of views from them. The reason most people don't jump into this niche is because they assume it takes a lot of editing time. I used to think the same. That's why I decided to test this AI tool myself and see how realistic it actually is. Now, once you open the website, you'll land on the Christmas video generator page. This page is built specifically for holiday content, so everything you see here is designed to help you create a Christmas video as fast as possible. Look at the layout. There are no confusing menus, no advanced settings you need to understand. Even if you've never edited a video before, you'll know exactly where to click. The core idea of this tool is simple. You upload an image, optionally add audio, and the AI turns it into a full Christmas video with animation, motion, and music. Let me show you exactly how I did it. The first step is uploading an image. This can be anything Christmas related: a snowy street, a cozy living room, a product photo, or even an AI-generated image. I personally tested this with a basic image, and the moment I uploaded it, the AI started preparing it for animation in the background. This is important because normally, in traditional editing software, this part alone takes a lot of time. Next, you choose your Christmas music template. Now watch this. As soon as I select the music, the entire video style changes. The animations, transitions, and pacing all adapt automatically to the music. You don't need to manually cut clips or sync beats. This is one of the biggest time savers. It's almost like having a professional editor do all the work in seconds. There's also an option to upload your own audio. This is perfect if you want to add a Christmas greeting, a short voiceover, or even a branded message. This makes the video feel much more personal, even though it's generated automatically. After that, you can add a short text prompt. This is where you control the mood. You can write things like soft snowfall, warm lights, cozy Christmas atmosphere, gentle camera movement. You don't need to write anything complicated. Simple, natural descriptions work best. The AI uses this to enhance motion, lighting, and overall emotion in the video, giving it that professional touch that usually takes hours to achieve. Now you choose the video duration and resolution. For social media and YouTube, 720p works perfectly. Once everything is set, you click generate. This part still surprises me. Instead of waiting hours, my video was ready in just a couple of minutes. I actually timed it. The entire process from start to finish took less time than exporting a video in traditional software. And the quality? Surprisingly professional and polished. When the video is ready, you can preview it.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
Instantly. If you want to change anything, music, prompt, or image, you can regenerate the video again very quickly. This makes testing new ideas and variations incredibly fast. This is exactly how creators are able to upload consistently in this Christmas niche. They're not stuck editing. They're testing, posting, and improving every day without burning out. Now let's talk about something most people ignore: why consistency matters so much during Christmas. Christmas content has a limited window. If you post consistently during this period, the algorithm picks it up very fast. Missing days because of editing delays can cost you a lot of momentum. Even a single viral video can snowball into huge channel growth if you're posting daily or every other day. That's why tools like this make such a big difference. They give you speed, reliability, and the freedom to experiment. Now about pricing. A lot of people think AI tools are expensive, but let's compare realistically. Hiring an editor for one decent video can cost more than what this tool charges for multiple generations. On top of that, editing software still requires skills and time. This platform offers multiple plans. If you're just experimenting, there are beginner-friendly options. But if you're serious about uploading daily or working with clients, the higher plans make much more sense. What I personally like is that you're paying for speed and reliability. During Christmas, speed is everything. The faster you create, the more momentum your channel can build. Another huge advantage is that this content works across platforms. The same video can be uploaded on YouTube, long videos, shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, or even sent as a personal or business Christmas greeting. One video, many uses, and all without extra effort. And yes, this niche is perfect for faceless channels. You don't need to show your face or speak on camera. The visuals and music do all the storytelling for you. Most people don't fail on YouTube because they don't have ideas. They fail because the process becomes overwhelming. This tool removes that friction and makes content creation enjoyable again. You can focus on creativity instead of editing headaches. To wrap this up, this Christmas niche combined with this AI tool is a real opportunity, but it's time sensitive. Christmas content performs best right now when people are actively searching, sharing, and engaging with festive videos. If you want to try this yourself, check the link in the description. There's also an exclusive 20% off coupon, and if you're serious about content creation, I highly recommend checking out the lifetime plan. Start experimenting now, stay consistent, and take advantage of this niche while it's hot. Let me know in the comments what kind of Christmas content you're planning to create, and I'll see you in the next one.